Cześć! It's Dorota. Welcome to Polish with Dorota. Today I'm very excited because I will introduce you a new method, a new approach in learning Polish. You will be able to build over 1,000 sentences with just 40 words and phrases. This is basically for beginners or even for people who have no idea about Polish language. You will learn 40 very useful words and phrases. I will show you how to mix and match them to build over 1,000 sentences. And if you want to learn Polish, you want to speak Polish better, you need to know that you can join my online Polish language school. You will learn with great teachers in a great atmosphere. Just click the link in the description to contact me and I will help you choose the best option for you. Let's start. First, you will learn 5 most useful verbs in the most useful form, I. I am is jestem. Jestem. I is ja, but you don't have to use this word in Polish. I am, jestem. I was. A man would say byłem. Byłem. A woman, byłam. Byłam. Please remember to repeat the words together with me. This way you will learn much faster. To repeat them out loud. So once again, I am, jestem. Jestem. I was, for a man, byłem. For a woman, byłam. I will be, for both men and women, będę. Będę. I live. Mieszkam. Mieszkam. I work. Pracuję. Pracuję. And one more verb, but in another form. How to say is. Is, like he is, she is, it is. Is. Jest. Jest. So you know 6 verbs. Now you will learn 15 words and phrases like home at home, work at work, park in a park. So I will say that first in English, then in Polish, and repeat together with me. Home or house, dom. At home, in a house, w domu. Dom, w domu. Work or job also is praca. At work, w pracy. W pracy. Praca, w pracy. Office, in an office. Biuro, w biurze. Biuro, w biurze. Shop, store, in a shop, in a store. Sklep, w sklepie. Sklep, w sklepie. Gym, at the gym. Siłownia, na siłowni. Siłownia, na siłowni. Please remember that SI is pronounced as si in Polish. Park, in a park. Park, w parku. Park, w parku. Street, on the street. Ulica, na ulicy. Ulica, na ulicy. School, at school. Szkoła, w szkole. Szkoła, w szkole. Center, in a center. Centrum, w centrum. Centrum, w centrum. Restaurant, in a restaurant. Restauracja, w restauracji. Restauracja, w restauracji. Kitchen, in a kitchen. Kuchnia, w kuchni. Kuchnia, w kuchni. Bathroom, in a bathroom. Łazienka, w łazience. Łazienka, w łazience. Doctor, at the doctor's. Lekarz, u lekarza. Lekarz, u lekarza. A friend, and at your friend's house. It will be kolega, u kolegi. Kolega is a masculine friend, not a colleague, and u kolegi means at my friend's house. The same for a female friend, koleżanka, and at her house, at her place is u koleżanki. Koleżanka, u koleżanki. Using only these 21 words, you can actually build many sentences. So, for example, I'm at work. Jestem w pracy. I was at work. Byłam w pracy. I will be at work. Będę w pracy. Something else. I live in the center. Mieszkam w centrum. I work in the center. Pracuję w centrum. I work at school. Pracuję w szkole. I'm at my friend's house. Jestem u kolegi. When it is a man. Or jestem u koleżanki. When it is a woman. Now let's add 4 words about the location. Here is tutaj or tu. You can use one or another. Tutaj. Tu. There is tam. Tam. Close is blisko. Blisko. Far away is daleko. Daleko. So now you can say I live far away. Mieszkam daleko. Or I will be here in the park. Będę tutaj w parku. Or I live close by in the center. Mieszkam tutaj blisko w centrum. Mieszkam blisko w centrum. Now you can also use the verb jest, which means is. But please remember to use the words, the one from 15, but the first word, not the phrase with v or na or u, but the basic form of the word. What do I mean? Okay, examples. The school is there. Szkoła jest tam. The office is far away. Biuro jest daleko. The gym is close. Siłownia jest blisko. Great. Now let's add 6 words about the time. Now is teraz. Teraz. Today, dzisiaj. Dzisiaj. Tomorrow, jutro. Jutro. Yesterday, wczoraj. Wczoraj. On the weekend, w weekend. W weekend. Always, zawsze. Zawsze. And never is nigdy, but when you are using it with a verb, like I never work at home, you need to add additional nie, which means no. Nigdy nie. Nigdy nie pracuję w domu. I never work at home. So in English, literally, it is I never don't work at home, but in Polish it makes sense and you need to have this double negation. Nigdy nie pracuję w domu. Okay, so let's build some more sentences with these new words. Now I'm at the doctor's. Teraz jestem u lekarza. Tomorrow I will be there at school. Jutro będę tam w szkole. Yesterday I was in the park. Wczoraj byłam w parku. For a woman and for a man. Wczoraj byłem w parku. I always live in the center. Zawsze mieszkam w centrum. Tomorrow I will be at my female's friend's house. Jutro będę u koleżanki. And so on and so on. You can build a lot of sentences already, but let's add some more words. Now, 7 adjectives, very useful ones. The first one is tired. Tired is zmęczony if we talk about a man, zmęczona if we talk about a woman. Sick or ill is chory, chora. Glad, satisfied, kind of happy is zadowolony, zadowolona. Zadowolony, zadowolona. Hungry, głodny, głodna. Busy, zajęty, zajęta. Ready, gotowy, gotowa. Free, wolny, wolna. It means that I'm free, I'm not in a prison, but also I'm free, I'm available, I can talk to you now, something like this. So, what kind of sentences we can build now? For example, I'm always tired at work. Zawsze jestem zmęczona w pracy. Zmęczona, this is for a woman. For a man, zmęczony. Zawsze jestem zmęczony w pracy. Yesterday I was hungry. Wczoraj byłem głodny. This is for a man. Byłem is for a man and głodny is for a man. And for a woman, it's easy because it's always a. Wczoraj byłam głodna. Wczoraj byłam głodna. Tomorrow I will be ready. Jutro będę gotowy. For a man and for a woman, jutro będę gotowa. Yesterday I was in a restaurant and I am satisfied. So I liked the restaurant. Wczoraj byłem, for a man, or byłam, for a woman, w restauracji i jestem zadowolony, zadowolona. For a man, the whole sentence, wczoraj byłem w restauracji i jestem zadowolony. For a woman, wczoraj byłam w restauracji i jestem zadowolona. So how to say and in Polish? I. It's simply I. Now you can use also the verb jest. So the bathroom is occupied, someone is there. It will be łazienka jest zajęta. A friend is sick. Male friend. Kolega jest chory. Kolega jest chory. If you want to say my friend and you don't know how, I have a lesson about this and the link is in the description. So now, you have a lot of words, but I will add two more. Very, which is bardzo, bardzo, and a little bit, trochę, trochę. For example, I'm very busy. Jestem bardzo zajęty. Jestem bardzo zajęta. I'm a little bit hungry. Jestem trochę głodny. Jestem trochę głodna. The office is a bit far away. Biuro jest trochę daleko. Biuro jest trochę daleko. And how to say the park is very close? Park jest bardzo blisko. So now you know 40 words and phrases and you can build over 1000 sentences using them. I prepared a gift for you. There is a PDF with these words with the translation and you can download it. The link is in the description. So please click the link, download the file and write as many sentences with these words as you can in the comment section. Maybe not 1000, but at least several. And remember that if you would like to learn Polish even more and if you would like someone to correct you, if you want to progress faster, you can do that in my online Polish language school. You can learn from anywhere you are. You don't have to live in Poland, you don't have to live in a big city. As long as you have the internet, you can do that. What to do to register? Just click the link in the description, write to me, contact me, we will arrange a consultation with me and I will help you choose the best learning options. Let me know in the comments also, what do you think about this method? Does it work for you? Would you like to have more videos like that? And remember that to learn you need to repeat, repeat, repeat. Watch this video again, repeat all the words after me, take notes, write the sentences in the comments and this way you will remember all of it. So thank you very much for watching, dziękuję and see you in the next videos. Pa!